back to another video, and hello anyone that is new. You have joined me at a crazy moment in time because we are in the process of packing up and relocating back to Kent. For anyone that doesn't know me or doesn't know my background and my history, we are originally from London and Kent, and we moved 3 years ago next month to Devon, and we have absolutely loved it here, but we are actually relocating back to be closer to family. So we are due to be out of our property, and by the time you see this video, it will probably have we would have been moved. It would, like, we are out of here, but we now have, it's Thursday and we move out on Monday. So we've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days. 4 days to pack up the rest of our house. I have a ton of stuff to sell as well, because our stuff is going into storage unit. We're going to be living with family until we find our perfect home. Life is crazy. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a packing video. I'm also potentially going to be including some packing hacks and tricks and stuff like that that I've used in our moves previously and I'm using for this move. So if you want a little bit of packing, cleaning and organisation motivation, then just continue to watch. Okay, so hello, I'm going to start in the bathroom. Not much to do in here, it's very echoey, but I'm going to start down here in this cupboard. We are getting rid of this cupboard, we are selling it because obviously we don't know what the setup's going to be like in our new home, and we don't really have the methods to store too much, so I need to empty it out so I can clean it all up and get ready for the lady that's coming for this evening. And a lot of this video is essentially going to be me removing and taking down stuff that we are selling or donating or sending to the tips. So yeah, let's get started.
And I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I
thought I'd quickly show you this. So this is the playroom or my old dressing room. It's been a variety of rooms, but look at all the stuff. This is like 3 deep in here. So this is the first row, there's like another 3 behind it. There is a lot of stuff, and then coming out around more stuff at the tip. This has obviously been sold. Look how empty the bathroom looks now. Bath rack's gone, and oh, it's looking so bare. And then obviously you've got the boys' room. Spot the cat. There he is, look at him. Loves being in here. Hey Storm. But yeah, the boys are in here at the moment, and obviously they're sharing Klayton's double bed. We've got Parker's old mattress down the side of the bed as like a bed guard type thing. And then this is Parker's old room. Look, so much stuff. And all of our light fittings are gone. Crazy. The only one that's not currently gone is in our bedroom. Look at the state of this. You'll have to ignore the mess. But and my Ring doorbell's going because Adam's outside sorting out the garden boxes. But yeah, it's crazy.
You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say. I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night, baby, all night, baby.
are all done. They are all empty. Do need to take all of this off now. And then I've got a box here. These are toiletries that we'll be bringing to my parents or my in-laws. And a box there of just bits and bobs that we probably don't need. And then slowly accruing a bin bag of like old products. And then I want to take some pictures. These are my, down here, these are like all my deodorants. Not deodorants, perfumes and aftershaves, which I want to keep but need to rebuy. Yeah, I want to know exactly the ones that I want to rebuy. So I need to take some pictures of these. And then just some last little bits. But yeah, pretty much boxed up now. Okay, so Adam has just unloaded our ottoman bed. This is like my mess from this morning. And it's like all the way down there. Stuff down here. And there's like, yeah, Adam's pointing. There's like 2 boxes falling here. So now we are going to begin to take the mattress out and take down the bed. Oh, I really liked this bed. It was never exactly what I wanted, but it was a lovely, lovely bed. But yeah, let's get going.
I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for you. You know it's what you say and what you do.
And for anyone wondering what it's like living with my husband, this guy. Screws, look there. Anodine, tissues, sandpaper.
Some fake money.
Some fake coins. I mean, that's the kid stuff. All that was under my side was a piece of packaging and some Lego, which I can't be held culpable for. You don't even know what's under that bed.
Don't know what this is.
Yeah, exactly. That, my dears, is what it's like living with a guy that just doesn't know what day it is from one day to the next.
Character from the Game of Life.
Is that from the Game of Life? Oh, we was playing this during lockdown up here.
Game of Life.
Is that a Game of Life card?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I was wondering. I think I threw loads of these out the other day. I thought they were from the McDonald's store.
Inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay.
I always like to say when it comes to moving and doing stuff like this, I'm very good at project management. Wouldn't you agree?
No.
Are you sure you don't want any assistance? Not gonna be a very good time lapse. It's like this. Even if I fast forwarded this times 100, I still think this would be the slowest footage. And I also wanted to add a little moving hack into this video. One of my hacks is that you pop all of your loose screws and stuff like that into either a Ziploc or a sandwich bag of some sort. We sometimes use nappy sacks, but they're very thin. So I would avoid and go for a thicker bag as possible. Pop all of your screws in and then sellotape them to the item that you are moving, so you know exactly what goes with what. And then I normally write on them too, just to be on the safe side. We're actually selling this bed, but just so they're obviously all together for the lady that comes and picks it up. But yeah, a moving hack for you as well. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this Organise, Clean and Pack with me video. I know it's been a bit crazy and my house is an absolute state. I'm hoping we will get there very soon. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you all again in another video very shortly. Bye guys.
I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late.